Hey guys, welcome to Dhaatrisolutions. Today I want to show you the inventory management system website. Nowadays, stocks of any business stored in the inventories. To grow their business, the inventory management is a must and should. So we are coming with the inventory management system website. Now, this is the website. There are three modules: administrator, stock manager, and salesperson. Now see the flow of the website. This is the flow of the website. Admin will log in into the website with predefined login credentials like username and password. After login, admin will add stock managers to the website by entering their details like name, email, address, password, phone, picture and address of the stock manager and other details. Then the admin can view the stock managers in view stock managers page. Admin can also add the salesperson to the website with their details like salesperson name, email address, password, phone number, picture, and etc. And admin can add the categories like groceries and non-groceries, etc. After the adding the categories, admin can view those categories in the view categories page. Based on the categories, admin will add the subcategories like pulses, etc. Then the admin can add the products to the website with product name, picture and quantity, etc. After adding the products, admin can view those products in the view products page. The stock managers will log in into the website with the login credentials like email address and password. After logging into the website, stock manager will check the stock and update the stock details and also view the required product stocks according to the threshold information. Check the requirements of the stock. Salespersons will log in into the website with login credentials like email address and password. After entering into the website, salespersons can add items to the invoice and generate the invoice for the particular items. After they generated the invoices, the items will be sold and decrease the quantity of the products. Salesperson can view the invoice history by selecting the dates. After viewing the invoices, which are done by the salesperson, by selecting the from date and to date, the sales graph will be displayed to the admin. Uh, this is our website. Now log in into the admin page with admin login details like username, admin. This is the administration home page. Now we add the stock manager by entering name, phone number, and email address and password, gender, age, address. Click on the add button. Stock manager added. Now view the stock manager, added stock manager in view stock manager section. This is the now added stock manager details. Go to the next page, add salesman page, enter the details. Now we add the salesman added. Now see the salesman in view salesman's page. Recently added salesman details. Go to next page, add category page. Add the categories like pulses, add category added. Now go to view category, pulses added. So go to subcategories, add subcategories, choose the category, choose pulses, and subcategory like also pulses, add subcategory add successfully. Now we add the product. Now category grocery, subcategory pulses, product name Bengal garam, quantity 1, price test quantities is 100. This is the total stock. Threshold quantity means total stock. Choose the file. I can choose the this photo. Write the description. Now add to the shopping. Product added. You can see the product in view products. Now log out from the admin page and go to stock manager page. Login with login details. Login. This is stock manager homepage. You can view the products in this page and update quantity. So now we update the quantity like 100. You can click update button. Quantity updated successfully. Now see available quantity updated to 100. Now go to view stock requirements page. If there is quantity is decreases, you can update the quantity in this page. Then log out. Now go to salesperson page and log in into salesperson page. And password, login. This is the salesperson homepage. You can add the products. To add the products, first search products in the search product section. You can search Bengal gram, tea. You can give the customer name, son, under phone number and customer email address. Now generate the invoice. Invoice was generated. Now go to history. This is the generated invoice. Now view the invoice. This is the invoice. Go to back page and then log out from the salesperson page and go to admin page. Login. Login. You can view the sales between the from and to dates. You can give this get report. This is the report, sales report. This is the overall website of inventory management system.